Hello everyone, my name is Zulkifli and I have been with Nanyang Polytechnic for the past 20 years. Currently, I'm teaching a module called Product Lifecycle Management for third-year students of the Diploma in Engineering with Business. I use a student response system called Socrative to conduct formative assessment at the tail end of my lecture. Socrative is basically a free classroom app that allows me to assess my students quickly with prepared activities such as multiple choice questions. I always wonder if my students understand the content of my lecture, and it is not easy to get an accurate reading of the student's level of understanding, especially in a lecture setting. I also want to pinpoint the part of my lecture where the students are having problem understanding so that I can spend a bit more time explaining those parts. Actually, the students themselves, they are the one that had inspired me. I noticed the students' pervasive use of gadgets, such as smartphones. The students seem to be more engaged and focused in my lecture whenever they view video footage played as part of my lecture content. I then wonder what else I can do to engage them further. I will divide my 50 minutes lecture into 3 parts. I will use the first 35 minutes or so to conduct my lecture. The next 5 minutes will be used to conduct the MCQs assessment. Socrative will compile the students' performance in a tabularized format, and I can then easily identify the areas the student did well and badly. The remaining 10 minutes will then be used to explain the questions the students scored badly in. I register myself with Socrative as a teacher in order to use the apps for free. I will also prepare MCQs to be uploaded into Socrative. The MCQs are typed into an Excel file template provided by Socrative. I'll launch the MCQs quiz just before I start my class. Socrative will issue a classroom number which the student will use to assess the quiz. If you always wonder how to engage your student effectively in your classroom, then active learning is the way to do it. There are many activities in active learning that others have done and reported. You just need to choose the activities that is suitable for your own classroom and basically try it. You may need to do some modification to the activities, but all the work will be worth it when your students become engaged and focused during class.